Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set 1.5 inch page margin in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and we want to set page margin 1.5 inch. Go to the layout menu, then click margin drop down menu, then go to the custom margin, then change the top left bottom right 1.5. Then click OK. Now we can see we set the margin 1.5 inch page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.